I hope all of you are doing well today. For today's video, I've got some data entry work from home job opportunities to share with you. The first job is with Pencana, and they're looking for a data entry keyer. For this job, you'll accurately enter and update data into the company database and systems. You'll review and verify data for completeness and correctness. You'll maintain data integrity by performing regular audits and validations. You'll assist in generating reports and analyzing data trends as needed. You'll collaborate with various departments to ensure data consistency and accuracy. You'll respond to data inquiries in a timely manner and ensure proper documentation of changes. And you support the development and implementation of data entry procedures to enhance efficiency. Regarding the requirements for this job, you must have a high school diploma or something equivalent to that. Further education in data management or a related field is a plus. You must have proven experience in data entry or a similar role with a focus on accuracy and speed. You must have strong attention to detail and a high level of accuracy in data entry tasks. You must be proficient in using data entry software and Microsoft Office Suite, particularly Excel. You must be able to work independently and manage time effectively in a fast-paced environment. You must have excellent communication skills, both written and verbal, and familiarity with the cannabis industry and regulations is preferred, but not mandatory. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits are a medical, dental, and vision healthcare plan, a 401k RRA retirement plan, basic, voluntary, and AD&D life insurance, paid time off, maternity and paternity family leave, you'll be able to work from home, and you'll be given free snacks. This is a full-time position. Before I continue with the rest of this video, I just want to let you know that I have this review guide called Resume Review Guide, the critical steps you need to take before you send in your resume. In this review guide, I share the important steps that you should take before sending in your resume. In addition to this, I share valuable information that I believe will increase your chances of getting job interviews. The information I share in this review guide has led to me getting job interviews. If you're interested in getting my guidebook, you can click on the link for it, which is in this video. The next job is with Isalis Group, and they're looking for a data entry specialist. The key responsibilities for this job are to correctly enter data from diverse sources into their systems, to identify and fix data discrepancies, to keep accurate records and documentation for data entries, to work with other team members to improve data management practices, and to ensure compliance with data protection regulations. Regarding the requirements for this job, you must be a high school graduate or something equivalent to that. Further data management training is preferred. You must have proven expertise in data entry or a similar sector. You must have excellent attention to detail and correctness. You must be proficient with Microsoft Office Suite and data entry applications. You must have excellent writing and vocal communication abilities. And you must be able to operate autonomously and efficiently. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits are that you can work from anywhere and adjust your work hours to your lifestyle. They provide a competitive compensation plan based on your talents and expertise. You'll receive continual training and professional development to advance your career. You get to take advantage of wellness initiatives such as mental health resources and fitness programs to improve your overall health. You get to participate in their virtual team activities to create connections and collaboration with colleagues around the world. And they believe in a balanced approach to work, which allows you to enjoy your personal time while also contributing to their objective. The next job is with Good Power, and they're looking for a data entry coordinator. The weekly responsibilities for this job are to enter and update all gifts, grants, and batch donations for companies like ActBlue, PayPal, and Stripe in Salesforce with speed and accuracy, to process gift and grant acknowledgments for grassroots and low-level gifts, to process gift forms, compile required attachments, and file completed documentation as a single PDF in the correct finance and development D drive folders, to enter new funder accounts and contacts, update donor records with communications, touchpoints, and submission history, to update proposal and report deadlines, statuses, and related tasks in Salesforce, and to log donor interactions and assist with basic fundraising, activity tracking. The monthly responsibilities for this job are to conduct data hygiene checks, to clean, standardize, and update Salesforce records, to support donor list pulls, segmentation cleanup, and audits using their new LinkedIn data tool, to update custom fields, tags, giving classifications, and segmentation lists in alignment with systems being built by the development manager, to maintain and update RSVP lists for funder and partner briefings, and to support maintenance of fundraising dashboards and key source reports in Salesforce. Regarding cross-team support responsibilities, you'll collaborate with the development manager to identify recurring bottlenecks and opportunities to streamline data workflows, and you'll ensure timely communication around data inconsistencies, missing information, or needed record updates. Regarding the qualifications for this job, you must have 2+ years in nonprofit fundraising operations, data entry, CRM management, or a similar role requiring high volume, high accuracy data work. You must have proficiency with Salesforce or other major CRMs, for example, like Razor's Edge, Virtuous, and Every Action. You must have the demonstrated ability to process repetitive tasks with speed, focus, and near perfect accuracy. You must be highly organized, able to track and manage many small tasks across multiple systems. You must have strong communication skills and comfort working asynchronously with multiple team members. You must be able to handle confidential donor information with discretion and professionalism. And you must have experience working in a fast-paced, high-growth environment. Regarding compensation, you'll be paid $30 an hour. This is a part-time, temporary position. The next job is with Insulation Technology Ltd, and they're looking for a data entry clerk. The key responsibilities for this job are to enter, update, and verify data into company databases with a high level of accuracy, to maintain data integrity by following established procedures and policies, to regularly review data for errors or inconsistencies and correct any issues promptly, to ensure that data is up to date and relevant, supporting various department needs, to organize and maintain digital and physical documents, ensuring easy access and retrieval, to scan and upload documents to the company's document management system, to ensure all documents are correctly categorized and filed according to company standards, to perform regular data quality checks to identify and resolve discrepancies, to collaborate with team members to improve data accuracy and processes, to generate reports from databases as required by different departments, to assist other team members with data-related tasks and projects as needed, to communicate with various departments to ensure data needs are met and provide data entry support for special projects, and to participate in team meetings and contribute to process improvement discussions. Regarding the qualifications for this job, you must have a high school diploma or something equivalent to that. Additional certification in data entry or related field is a plus. You must have proven experience as a data entry clerk or something in a similar role. You must have excellent typing skills and attention to detail. You must have proficiency with data entry software and Microsoft Office Suite. This includes Excel, Word, and Outlook. You must have strong organizational skills and the ability to manage multiple tasks simultaneously. You must have good communication skills and the ability to work effectively in a team environment. And you must be able to maintain confidentiality and handle sensitive information. Regarding their preferred qualifications, they prefer that you have experience with statistical analysis and modeling techniques. They prefer that you have knowledge of machine learning algorithms and data mining techniques. They prefer that you have familiarity with project management methodologies and tools. And they prefer that you have experience working in a team-oriented collaborative environment. Now remember, this is what they prefer. These are not requirements. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits are a competitive salary and performance-based bonuses, comprehensive health, dental, and vision insurance, retirement savings plan with company match, professional development opportunities, and a flexible work schedule, and remote work options. This is a full-time position with the pay range from $18 to $25 an hour. Regarding the work schedule, you'll work from Monday through Friday. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Just press that subscribe button below this video. That way, when I put out content in the future, you won't miss out on any of it. So please remember to subscribe. As always, I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for listening. I hope that you have a blessed, wonderful day.